Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create a Klaviyo account. Click on the first result that appears in Google search. Click on Sign Up here. You will be asked to add your email. For example, add your email here. Add your password. Choose a strong password here. You can continue. Put a website here. For example, company link on next. Choose the phone number. Click on I'm not a robot and just hit create account. You will be asked to choose the type of business you are in. So just select products, for example. Click on continue. Select the platform you're working on. For example, WooCommerce. Next, select the type of contacts you have. For example, don't have a contact. Choose address here. For example, this country. As you see, guys, just complete this simple informations and your account will be successfully created. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one.